Hey guys, I'm making a kind of random video. I had ordered a nature box a few weeks ago and I'm really excited about it because it came in the mail today, and I just figured that I would open it and everything on camera so you guys can see what it's like if you're interested. But yeah, this is the nature box. I have already opened it because I got impatient, but I figured I'd make a video anyway. This is it. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And these are the things I got in it. So I figured I'd try them on camera and see what they're like. Okay. First one is apple pie oat clusters. They look pretty good. So they look like. They taste like granola bars and apple pie. Really good. Next thing is dark cocoa nom noms, which basically look like brownies. Yeah, I'm actually just gonna take a piece because I don't want the whole thing. That is rich. These are really good. They'd be great with like tea or coffee. Next thing is South Pacific plantains, which I'm really excited about because I love plantains. These are so good. That's really good. And these bags are like actually full. Really good. Next is baked sweet potato fries. Ooh, I'm really excited about these too. I love sweet potatoes. They just look like this. They are so good. They have like a little spice. So good. Next thing is coconut date energy bites. And I don't generally like dates, but they're covered in coconut, so they sound good. Like this. Oh my god. They are so good. That shit's good right there. Last but not least, vanilla macaroon granola, which I don't think I'm going to open it and try it because I kind of want to save it to like try with yogurt. But it looks really good. Once again, this is my nature box. It's really good, and I get it month by month, so it's $19.95 a month. and you can either choose your 4 snacks, or have them surprise you. I'm pretty sure I chose mine and then they surprised me with one of them. So I really like it, and I definitely think I'm going to continue getting them. So yeah, if you want to get yourself a NatureBox, just go to naturebox.com. I do not have like a code or anything for you guys, but I know that Tyler Oakley, Miranda Sings, people like that have codes where you can get 50% off on your NatureBox. So that's it for this video. This was kind of random and completely different than anything I normally do, but I figured I'd share it with you guys because a lot of people seem to be interested in these and just want to see what other people think. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!